guys, thank you so much for visiting today my channel. You know this is Gigi Gabrielle and you're always welcome here. This is the Outre Converti cap.
You can take a screenshot now of the wig for later. Here's the construction of the wig. There is 4 combs, 3 in the front, 1 in the back, plus a drawstring, and it comes with a clip and bangs. I'm gonna go ahead and install it in a few different styles for you. The official name of this wig is Outre Converti Cap Plus Bang, and I got it in the DR Honey Auburn. It comes with a lot of info on the stock card, and it brings a little booklet that'll tell you all about the Converti cap and how to do different styles. Just served you some flowing locks. Now let's go ahead and do a couple variations on a classic half up, half down.
Let me tell you something, I am loving her. I never thought that this big curly hair would look good on me, but I've seen other women with big curly hair and I thought, oh my gosh, it's so cute on her, you know, it looks so good on her. And this was $10, okay? And I was like, let me try it because I can do different things. Like it says you can do it half up, half down, just different stuff. So I tried it, and I tried it in this color because I thought this is different, you know, I have dark hair. And also because the darker colors were sold out. I am not like a bangs person. Like I think I had bangs maybe like twice in my life, but these are just life, bro. Like this is awesome. I am so excited that I tried this on. These curls are on point. It took me what, like 10 minutes, and I was basically just like putting my hair up, putting this on, and just playing with it. You just gotta run your fingers through it, and then it makes the curls more puffy. You know, you just gotta kind of like organize it up here so it could hide, you know, that part. Make it more puffy around here, this section, so that it could look really good. And then you just kind of like supposedly part it here, you know, this doesn't have a part. We supposedly part it so it can kind of like fall more up here. I went to my man and I showed him, he was like, babe, you look gorgeous. I was like, thank you. You know, it's just something new, you know what I'm saying? A new little style, you know what I'm saying? A new little style, whatever. Like I'm somebody different today. You know, like I don't know what I should name myself, but I'm just kidding. Just go and get her and put her on. You can follow my video and, you know, follow the instructions or whatever. You can follow how I did it and go and feel fabulous because you're gonna feel good. You know, every time you were like, wow, her hair looks so cute, or look at that celebrity, the hair is so cute, I love that hairstyle. Well, with synthetic wigs, you can do it all and you can own it. As long as you feel good in the wig, everyone's gonna feel good about it on you. Then you go outside and you show off that confidence, and that stands out. And please, turn on that notification bell. Click like and subscribe. Click the like, click and subscribe, leave me comments. Tell me, what do you think? Do you think it looks good? Do you think it doesn't? Do you want me to try another hair color? Is there a certain style you want me to try on? Any kind of certain videos you want to see, stuff you're curious about? And I'm here to just share my experiences with you. So please like and subscribe and comment. And thank you so much for coming again to my channel. Much love.